Hey everyone, and welcome back to English Up. I'm Chloe.
And I'm Alex. We're so glad you're tuning in today.
Today's topic is all about dreaming big. And what better way to start than by talking about our dream houses?
Exactly. We're going to paint you a picture with words of our ideal homes, and then we'll explore why having those dreams is so important.
So grab your headphones, settle in, and let's dream big with English Up. Okay, so my dream house. It's got to be a secluded cabin nestled in the mountains, preferably the Swiss Alps. I picture a rustic yet modern design. Lots of exposed wood beams and stone. The focal point would be a massive stone fireplace, perfect for cozy nights. It would be completely off-grid, powered by solar panels, of course. Think floor-to-ceiling windows with panoramic views, a gourmet kitchen with a huge island, and a library stacked with all my favourite books. I'd definitely need a spacious deck with a hot tub overlooking the mountains, and a roaring fireplace.
My dream house is completely different. I'm envisioning a sleek modern loft apartment in the heart of a vibrant city, maybe New York or Tokyo. Think minimalist design, lots of natural light, and high ceilings. I'd want a state-of-the-art sound system and smart home technology controlling everything. My dream house is completely different. I'm envisioning a sleek modern loft apartment in the heart of a vibrant city, maybe New York or Tokyo. Think minimalist design, lots of natural light, and high ceilings. I'd want a state-of-the-art sound system and smart home technology controlling everything. I'd need a chef's kitchen with all the latest gadgets, a rooftop terrace with a small garden and a dedicated home office. Oh, and it has to have floor-to-ceiling windows.
All right, so we just threw a lot of vocab at you. Let's recap some of the key words.
Yeah, this'll help solidify those new words.
Secluded means private and isolated. For example, the cabin was secluded deep in the woods.
Nestled means situated comfortably or snugly, like in, the village was nestled in a valley.
Rustic describes something simple, old-fashioned, and charmingly rural. For instance, the restaurant had a rustic decor.
Focal point means the center of interest or activity. To demonstrate, the fireplace was the focal point of the living room.
Panoramic means with a wide view surrounding the observer. For example, the hotel room had a panoramic view of the city.
Minimalist means characterized by simplicity and lack of ornamentation, like in, they have a minimalist decor.
So, now that we've shared our dream homes, let's talk about why it's so important to dream big in the first place.
Right. A lot of people might think dreaming is just a waste of time, but we disagree.
First, dreaming big gives you motivation. When you have a clear vision of what you want, it's easier to set goals and stay focused. My Swiss Alps cabin might seem far away right now, but it keeps me motivated to work hard and save money.
Totally. A big dream acts like a compass guiding your decisions and keeping you on track. Plus, when you achieve small steps towards your dream, it feels amazing. Dreaming big forces you to think outside the box. It encourages creativity and innovation. If I want that smart home in my loft, I need to stay up to date with the latest technology and figure out how to make it happen.
Exactly. Dreaming big encourages creative problem solving. You start asking what if and how can I, instead of just accepting limitations. Finally, dreaming big builds resilience and perseverance. You're going to face obstacles along the way, but a strong dream will help you push through them.
Definitely. You learn to see setbacks as opportunities for growth. My dream loft might take years to achieve, but I know that every challenge makes me stronger and more resourceful. Okay, so let's recap the main takeaways of this episode.
Right. Dreaming big isn't just about fantasizing. It's a powerful tool for achieving your goals.
Here are the cliff notes. Point 1. Dreaming big provides motivation and helps you set clear goals. Point 2. It fosters creativity and encourages you to think outside the box. Point 3. It builds resilience and helps you persevere through challenges.
So what are your big dreams? Share them with us in the comments. That's all the time we have for today's episode of English Up.
Thanks for listening. We hope you feel inspired to dream bigger and never stop learning.
Don't forget to subscribe to English Up for more language learning and motivation.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Keep dreaming.